Good morning, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
International Women's Day may have helped in bringing majority of the changes across the world, but I personally feel that there is no need to celebrate a day that is dedicated solely to women. Personally, because every day is a Women's Day. In a country, especially in a country like India, where cuss words are right after Ma Behin, so I don't really think it makes much of a difference. You know, there's no need to compensate for it by dedicating a day to it, and I feel every day is a Women's Day.
Coming to my family, we are three siblings. My elder sister, my elder brother, and I'm the youngest one. So coming off to my life, I've always been treated as a superhero and not as a girl who's been discriminated all the time or being treated as someone who's not needed at all. Coming to my family, we don't have such discriminations like yes she's a girl, yes he's a boy, nothing as such, nothing as such.
हमें इस बीच में हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ ड्यूटी करती हूँ। मेरा टाइम भी पास होता है और मेरी बहुत सी जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉल्व हो चुकी है। और मेरी बस यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि थोड़ा सा जो हमारा टाइमिंग है उसके लिए हमें थोड़ा सा समय मिले।
So I'm one of those few lucky daughters in India whose father always wanted a daughter. Like when both the times my mother was expecting and he was praying to have a daughter. So growing up, I never found the difference or any change in behavior of my family, any difference between a girl or a boy.
Celebration of Women's Day, yes, I strongly feel that it is going to have an impact on the society, and it is already having in, though I am blessed to be in a society, in a family where I do not personally experience any kind of discrimination, but yes, there are states, there are socioeconomic stratas where the women are deprived, and we must look after them and fight for their cause.
In school times, we were not allowed to go here, go there, or we were not allowed to step out of our comfort zones. But I think college is all about stepping out of comfort zones. For example, for myself, I do not like traveling that much, but when I went to Mussoorie by my own, it was a completely new and different experience. And I think I would love to thank my parents for being so open-minded and free. But unfortunately, not all people are like that. There are certain restrictions that are imposed on women rather than on men.
When there are problems around the world which face women like female genital mutilation, and we still talk about celebrating Women's Day, this is not what I think is just. Women's Day is about respect. Women is not just about having one X and one Y chromosome, but woman is in each man, in each woman, and is in each gender. Then why celebrate Women's Day? Just for the sake of marketing? Is it just another festival that youngsters celebrate, like Valentine's Day, Teddy Day, etc.?
Let's start with something very basic, like hostel timings. For men, the hostel timings are around 7:30, 8:30, and most of the PGs don't even prefer to have any sort of hostel timings for boys or men. For women, unfortunately, we either have to report by 6:30 or 7 by most into the hostel. I just want to ask this question, why? Why are we supposed to come early, and why are boys given all the freedom in the world? Why can't they be taught that you have to behave in a certain manner where no one feels uncomfortable?
Feminism is a quality which we master. The quality of motherhood, the quality of loving someone comes from being a woman. We should come together and do such a thing where each day we respect women with full rights, where we give them full confidence that they can stay in a world and they can raise their necks, raise their bosom and walk freely.
We're talking about Women's Day, 8th March being International Women's Day. I feel it's just a tagging, and once you tag a day, it makes you feel that what about the other days? I mean, we are not celebrating womanhood the other 364 days. Well, we don't have Dogs Day or Men's Day or Human Day or Slaves Day. So why call one day a Happy Women's Day? Let's stop tagging.
Message from my side to all my female friends and girl students is, do your best, love what you do, deliver your 100%, and in that case success will be always yours. All the best. Thank you.
Summing it up, we are all the superheroes every day in our lives. So basically, women are superheroes, and I'm not saying that men are not superheroes, but they're all the same and all equal. Thank you. Edit तो होगी.
Right.
Cut कर.